In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Canva app. Whether you're creating social posts, presentations, or quick designs, getting the Canva app on your Windows device is simple and takes just a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what to look for, and share helpful tips so you feel confident the whole way. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. This is the official app store for Windows, and it comes pre-installed. You can click the shopping bag icon on your taskbar if you see it there, or tap the Windows key and start typing Microsoft Store, then select it from the results. Make sure you're opening the Microsoft Store app and not a web browser page, so you can install the app directly to your device. Once the store is open, look toward the top for the search box. Click into it and type Canva. Spelling matters here. Entering the exact name helps you find the official listing faster. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Choose Canva from that list, or press Enter to view all results. If your internet is slow, the results might take a second to load, so give it a moment. Next, in the search results, find the Canva app and click it. The official app is easy to spot by its recognizable logo and a clear app label. Opening the app's page is a good way to double-check you've got the right one. Here, you can glance at the screenshots, read the short description, and see ratings and reviews. This page is helpful for confirming you're about to install the genuine app offered through the Microsoft Store. Now, click the button that says Get or Install. The wording you see can vary, but both start the same process. After you click, the store will acquire the app and begin downloading it to your computer. You'll notice a progress bar or a small spinner indicating that it's working. You don't need to do anything else, just let it finish. Depending on your connection speed, this might take a minute or two. If your device is running low on storage, clear a bit of space and try again later. Once the download wraps up, you're all set. The Canva app has been added to your device via the Microsoft Store. That's the entire process. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Canva, click the correct listing, and choose Get or Install. Thanks for following along, and enjoy designing with Canva.